My Mummy is a Witch by Nadine Bates. My mummy is a witch. She doesn't have a black cloak or wear a pointy hat. She does love her red poncho though, and her old woolen cap. My mummy is a witch. She even has a big nose and a wart, just like the witch in my Hansel and Gretel book. Except Daddy says it's not a wart, but a pimple, and that it's not nice to talk about Mummy's nose like that. My mummy is a witch. She brews magical potions in a big copper cauldron. Okay, maybe not a cauldron, but it is a big cooking pot on the stove, and her potions always taste suspiciously like chicken soup or beef stew. My mummy is a witch. She even has a straw broom. I haven't seen her fly on it yet, but I did see her dancing with it one day when she thought nobody was watching. My mummy is a witch. She puts spells on us all the time. She can make the dog dance, make Daddy smile when he's grumpy, and make my baby sister stop crying. My mummy is a witch. She even has a coven. That's a group of witches. She calls it her book group, but I know the truth. They cackle a lot. Well, maybe Mummy is not a witch, but she does make everything feel like magic. The end.